going to show you how to change the air filter on a 2000 Dodge Ram V6. Got me a new air filter right here. And the other one is, these are not really too difficult, but they're a lot harder than a lot of them. Because you have to pull some of the stuff loose. You have to, on this side, you have to pull this loose. It just pops on, so just work it loose. There we go. Just kind of stick this over to the side. It don't matter where it's at. But, and then on this other side, you have to pull this loose, and up underneath there, you'll see that here. Yeah, the screw right there. It connects this to the throttle body or carburetor, whatever you want to call it. So you have to unhook that so we can get that in there. You just want to loosen it up where it will come off there. There we go, it's loose. Now then, let's see if we can pull this thing off. Yeah, there it comes. Right out of there. Now then, let's take it in the shop and change this thing out and clean it up a little bit. All right. The little tabs on the front. And click them. Could have done that out there actually, but it's pretty windy and it's hard to. There we go. And actually, this filter doesn't look too terribly bad, but it is a little bit dirty, so wipe that thing out pretty good. Blow it out. But if you look on the inside of here, that's where your dirt is. But here's the old one and the new one. So you can tell there is a difference. Quite a bit actually. But I haven't changed it in a while. So, and that's the life of your engine. One of the lives of your engine. The oil's the main thing, but you still have to keep this changed. So just pop it in there. Hooks on the tabs right there. Tabs hook into the little slots. See the little slots and the little tabs? Put those back in the slots. Maybe. There we go. Now they're in the slots. You can see them on the back. On the back side. Once they're in the slot, then you can snap these little holders back on there, and you're ready to go. You have to set this back down on the carb, and then reinstall your stuff. Easy pleasy. Not hard at all. Let's go out there and put it on. All right. Back out the truck, so we're gonna put this thing back on. I'm not gonna see if we can do this. Right down in here. I don't know if it's on or not back there in the back. Get this out of the way. see it better. Yeah, there we go. That's on. Now we just have to, I think it's on back here too. So all we have to do is tighten up that screw back in the back. Loosen up there we go, I believe. Yep, it's tied on the throttle body. Put your vacuum hose back up on this side. And I pulled this out just to get it out of the way, but this goes in your frame there. And this goes back on here. That's on. Make sure that pops in all the way. And that's on good. Alright, you got a new air filter. And we just changed the oil, so I think we're good to go for a little while. I guess that's it. We'll talk to you later.